Hello and good morning, everyone, and welcome to our special podcast. Today we have our Saswat Pandey here as well. Welcome to you.
Thank you very much.
Today we will be discussing about an important topic which is not only an important subject in science but it is also an important subject to the world. So today is June 5, right?
Exactly.
So, just like June 5, it is the World Environment Day, you already know. And there are so many other dates like the Environment's Day. Like in April 22, there is the World Earth Day. And on September 16, we have the World Preservation of Ozone Layer as well. So, what do you think about this?
Yeah, I have a question about this. Why do we celebrate World Environment Day only on June 5?
I don't think we have to remember the environment just in June 5 because we have to remember the environment every day. Environment is important to us in our daily life and we should remember it every day. We should be able to make it clean, we should keep it clean, we should try to preserve our environment.
I've heard so many things about this, about the issues and problems that occur in environment. What about those?
So, worldwide, so many problems occur regarding our environment, and in the context of Nepal, Nepal usually struggles with air pollution, especially. In Kathmandu city, you've probably seen so many dust particles everywhere. It's so polluted. And we have water pollution as well. So many wastes are thrown in our Bagmati river and it's so dirty. And similarly, we have in our Pokhara city as well, so less solid waste management is there. So in the context of Nepal, Nepal also struggles with many environmental problems, and I think as youths we should be able to solve it. We should try to solve it. What about you?
Yeah, you are absolutely correct. And according to the data I've collected, there are many problems regarding environment, global warming. So according to the research and scientists, the next year is gonna be the El Nino's year. That means the next year El Nino could make things worse and worse according to the UN's research. Similarly, the coming year is going to be the hottest year. Why? Because the oceans are storing a lot of heat in it. So which can be a threat to the environment and which can be the which can contribute negatively to the global warming and to the environment.
Yes, I agree with you. And there are so many cases like vehicles running around, they produce carbon monoxide, which is a very harmful gas. We have nitrous oxide. And due to these carbon emissions, it starts to accumulate in the air and it causes air pollution and so many more pollution that are there, and they are contributing badly to the global warming, climate change. I understand you. So I think we should implement something as students, as youth. We should try to keep our environment clean. We should try to stop this global warming and climate change. So I think we should stop using these vehicles. We should try to use alternative sources of energy, and we have to give a lot of priority to afforestation as well. We can conduct afforestation programs, campaigns. We can allow students to plant trees. We can inspire many other families to plant a tree every day, and due to this, forests can also increase and our natural resources will also increase day by day. And if we use alternative sources of energy, pollutions will also not occur. And if we do it, energy crises will not occur as well. So, according to my opinion, it's like this.
Exactly, I agree you. So I have a question, like what the government should do and what are the responsibilities of students. As you said, like we all should realize our responsibilities and duties. So I think in my opinion I agree that, and yeah, exactly, like we students, we should understand our responsibilities, duties, and we should always try to positively contribute to the environment and ecological factor, so that it will help to reduce global warming and many other problems that are being in environment unnecessarily and contributing it negatively. What do you think about that?
So, not only the government, us youths also have to be aware about this, because just because the government is our leader doesn't mean we have to depend upon it for change. We can also take small steps day by day, because small steps can lead to bigger changes, right? We've heard this saying almost everywhere. So, as students, we can start from our home, we can start from our school, we can try cleaning our school compounds and separating solid waste from our home. We can start by something small. Something like planting a tree will also contribute to the environment. So every one of us has a role in cleaning the environment, keeping the environment safe. So yeah, I think you get what I mean.
Yeah, exactly. Now, I think the viewers who are watching our podcast and our discussion, I think we all should realize our responsibilities and duties, don't we? Yeah, exactly. We have to realize it and implement it on our behavior, not only just depending on the books and studying the books things, but also we have to implement it on our behavior so that we can contribute positively to the environment.
So that's why I want to tell all of our viewers that small efforts lead to bigger changes.
Exactly, dear friends. Let's nurture our nature to save our future.
Happy
Happy World Environment Day. Thank you very much.